Okay. Okay, chocolates. Now I'm going to play what Dennis is playing. Is he right here? Yeah, that's my task. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah. The cables are messed up. Now the cables are messed up, and I'm just gonna try to take them out, but it's not even possible. Wait, I'm gonna show you both this video.
So, I thought I was doing so good. Well, great. I don't know what happened to the elevator. It just disappeared. Is that it? Are we falling into the void eternally? No. No, we're good. Kylie's still just doing her dance. This person's name's Chunky. I can see why your name's Chunky. Oh, what about you, Gary? Why isn't your name Chunky? I mean, look at you. Anyways, what I was saying is that in the settings here, you can mute music and elevator music, which is incredible. Maria, are you okay? What the? Whoa! Chicken eating contest. Eat! Come on. Eat! Oh, man. Oh, we're winning. Oh, we are winning by a lot. Woo! Yeah, 120 chickens, baby. Oh, that was so fun. Look at that. Wow. We ate twice as many chickens as Anthony. Or never mind, Annie Honey. So here we go. 10 seconds till the next floor. So I do remember some of these floors, but...
Okay, let's play. Okay. Oh my god, how do I just pause this video? Okay. Yeah, now let's play some Roblox. Okay, I'm gonna play some Roblox. So after link here, no more elevator. But now do the Harlem Shake. I just have to scratch my head again. Now do the Harlem Shake. Do the Harlem Shake. Okay, let's play. Mom, just stop talking. I just had to tell my mom to stop talking because of this. So we move away from the face cam center. I just had to tell my sister to move away from the face cam. So now I might have to post a video. No thank you, no thank you, no thank you. Oh, I have to. Here comes the elevator. Yeah, this is the stupid one. Oh, I'm in a... Wait. I was playing in the other server, and I'm now in the same server. So what? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. Yeah, I'm not gone yet. Yeah, I survived that one. Who's putting this on? Okay, let's get something. Sure. No, thank you. No, thank you. Oh, they're gonna close this. Hey, stop dropping a name. I was to keep this a secret, but yes. Roblox. This. Oh my god, that just scared me. Oh shoot. That's something. What? 20 Robux? Shoot. 20 Robux for this one song? Oh, I'm gone. I think I just lost. Okay, Clay Shop again. P47838. Okay, that's a stupid name. No, not Slenderman. I just put them when you're stupid. Yeah, I like that song. I just think he said energy 9. He's so stupid. He's so stupid. Oh, the murder meme. I don't know this. Yeah, that's the meme. And I have murder in the elevator, which is so big and new face. Oh, I just jumped on his head and went on mother's head. Oh, like this. We'll get everything. Oh, that's when it comes to big cheese. Oh. Rude. And then go. Yes, it's what I say. Okay, so stop talking. Oh my god, I have to say everything. So where's the song? Oh. Oh. What's happening? Oh my god. I died. Oh my god, I think. Oh yeah, 100%. Definitely. The heck? Hey, Moto is back. Oh, that's a speed run. Okay, I'll just send my milk over here. Oh, I'm so good at speed runs. I think we're like level 2 or 3. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm not good like this. The big cheese is outside. Why the hell does the big cheese go outside for that? The big cheese is not doing a speed run. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, damn it. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I was on level 3. Yep. Do it. That's so close to dying. Oh, that's finished. Yep. So now let's do this. Oh. I just got thrown on the floor. 13, 12, 11, the big cheese, murder, stupid red guy, stupid blue guy, stupid orange guy, 4, 3, 2, 1, please stop shaking me. Yeah. Yeah. Why do I look ugly? Why do I look ugly? Oh! Why? I died and I just got the second time. Oh, let's do this. Collect confirm 99. Yeah, I love this song. Oh, it's the black hole. I don't want to get sucked by it. I'm just gonna stay here. Oh no, I'm getting sucked. No, I'm getting sucked. Ah. Oh my god, oh my god. The elevator was getting longer, and I was going faster, faster. Oh yeah, I can do my dance if I have one dance. Chocolate rain, I think. Oh, basketball. Can't do it when I'm sitting. I got a good one. Oh! That's all? Yeah. And sit forever. Oh. I just zoomed out a lot and I just saw the whole elevator. What's this? Oh, I think it's that. Oh no! They're all gonna die if they stay here. They're all gonna die. They're all gonna die. Yep, they're all gonna die. Yeah. If they might die. Oh, it's the Barbie Cat meme again. But it's so stupid. And it's high pitch. What? Yeah, I want to show you a clip of the original one. But yeah. Let's leave this game and show you the original one. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to YouTube. I have like 2 more minutes left to record this video because I don't have subscription to this account. Go back my channel YouTube. My channel YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna show you the original clip. Yay! Oh my god. It's gone. This. Okay. 1 green cat. Driving cat. Yeah, driving cat. 11 polka. Yeah, it's this one. So that's all for this video. Bye bye. And make sure to be like the Barbie Cat and subscribe to my channel and press the like button while you're dancing. Bye bye.